Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. This palette is so beautiful. I never would think I would be purchasing from this brand, but when I saw this in Sephora, I was just like blown away by the color. I don't even know if you guys can pick this up on camera, how warm tone these shades are. Like, it's just really pretty. And then when I saw this shimmer gold and I swatched it in store, I really like fell in love with like the palette and the shimmer shade itself. So I was like, let me just buy it. I was gonna buy the Desert palette, the new one that she has with like that iridescent holographic purple in there. I don't know what it's called, but it's like the new, like a big newer one that she has that's like $65. I was gonna buy that one, but the shimmer shade that I was like really in love with, it was like really glittery, so I was just like, no, I'll just go with this one instead, because when I swatched the gold shade, it didn't feel so much as glittery. It didn't feel as glittery as that palette. I don't even know the name of it, but anyway. Yeah, I didn't think I would ever be purchasing this palette, but I have had this palette. I don't know if you guys have seen it in my other videos where I've just been holding it using the mirror, because it comes with a really big mirror on here, which I really like, and it's like really, it's like almost magnified. I don't know, it's like super like clear, and it does kind of look magnetized, but it's just like really pretty palette. So yeah. So yeah, as you can see, I did get some new hair. I'm going to be doing a review video on this hair. I don't know if it's going to be up before or after this video, so that's why I'm telling you. And if it's up before this video, I'll just have it linked in this video so you guys can check that out. And vice versa, I'll have this video linked in the hair video if you want to see how I got the makeup tutorial. So yeah, so stay tuned for that. So that is it for this intro. So I'm just going to go ahead and get into this makeup look. So first I'm going to start off by applying my eyes using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer as always. So the first color, this is upside down by the way. So the first color I'm going to go in with is this orange right here. And I'm just going to build this up into the crease. Okay, so now the next shade I'm gonna go into is this like burnt orange brown color, and I'm gonna put that a little bit of lower where I just placed that first color, and I'm just gonna build this up as much as I can. Okay, so now I'm gonna be taking this red. I probably should have went in with the red before I went in with this dark brown color. So let's just see if the red even shows up. Okay, so the red showed up, but I don't know if you guys can tell from when I applied that, like this burnt brown shade, it turned like really dark orange. So when I put the red on it, it just made it like a bright warm color, if that makes sense. So now I'm just going to be going in with this brown right here. I'm just going to be placing this on the outer parts and the outer part of the eye, and then kind of bring it up into the crease. Okay, so now I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer again, and I'm going to be using this to cut out my crease. And then once I cut out my crease, I'm going to go in with this gold shade, and I'm going to use that to set the concealer. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but I did leave like a little bit of the concealer, like a little tiny bit of concealer so that this eyeshadow can stick. So I'm gonna be taking this red and I'm gonna be taking this burnt orange shade and I'm gonna be using that to blend this into the brown. Okay, so since this eye is finished and to my liking, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this eye off of camera and I will be right back. Okay, so for primer, I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox Photo Filter Primer Water, and then I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Mattifying Primer. So for foundation, I'm gonna be going in with this Maybelline 24-hour foundation. I think that's the name of it. For concealer, I'm gonna be going in with two of the Maybelline Fit Me concealers. One that is like basically kind of like my skin tone, and one that's a little bit lighter, the one that I always use on my eyes. So I'm gonna go in with the color Cafe and the color Deep. And I'm gonna be putting putting Cafe on first, and then I'm gonna be applying Deep on top. Okay, so now I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color Medium. So now I'm going to be taking my Black Radiance pressed powder in the color Cafe, and I'm going to be using this to set the rest of my face and to sweep away the rest of this loose powder. So for highlighter, I'm going in with my Sonia Kashuk highlighter and bronzer duo, and I'm gonna be taking this on like a bronzer brush because I want to be able to do like what Sandra Deluxe does, where she's just like effortlessly has like this effortless like bronze and highlighted look and just like really pretty skin. So I'm gonna try this method. I don't know if it's actually gonna work for me, but I'm just gonna see. So I'm gonna apply this with this type of brush and see how it turns out. So now I'm going to be taking my Juvia's Place Blush Volume 1 palette, and I'm going to be taking the color a B on the same brush I just applied my highlighter with, and I'm going to be using that to bronze my skin. And then for blush, I'm just going to go back into that same blush palette, and I'm going to be taking this orange called Toby, and I hope this turns out good on my skin. I've never used an orange blush, so let's try this. Okay, so now for the lower lash line, I'm just going to be going in with the red shade and this burnt orange shade. I'm just going to mix them on like a smudger brush. Okay, and then for the lips, I'm just going to be going in with my NYX Suede lip liner in the color Club Hopper, and then I'm just going to be going in with my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked this video and this look, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like on your way out, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.